Mind-blowing facts about the human body you never knew. Your body is incredible. No, seriously. The human body is a complex system of interrelated systems and key organs that work together to perform the functions required for daily life. While most of us are aware of the essential physical functions that keep us alive, you may be unaware of some of your body's more amazing capabilities. We've compiled a list of fascinating facts about the human body and some of its stranger processes. Your gut is the only organ with its own independent nervous system. The stomach, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, small intestine, colon, and rectum, which make up your gastrointestinal tract, also known as your gut, is often referred to as the second brain. With 100 million neurons implanted in the gut wall, it's the only organ with its own separate neural system. Consider neurons to be the nervous system's messengers. They send data to nerve cells, muscles, and gland cells all across your body. This second brain is so strong that it can keep working even if the main neural link between your gastrointestinal system and your brain, the vagus nerve, is cut. This means that, even if your brain couldn't connect with your gut, neurons in your gut wall might still transfer the information needed for your digestive tract to function independently. Your veins, capillaries and arteries would stretch for more than 60,000 miles if laid out flat. Blood is pumped through your circulatory system, which is made up of arteries, capillaries, and veins, as your heart beats. The blood vessels in your body transport blood to all parts of your body. Arteries transport oxygenated blood away from the heart, veins return it to the heart, and capillaries connect them. The huge network of blood veins in an ordinary infant would stretch for approximately 60,000 miles if laid out end to end. They would stretch for about 100,000 kilometers in an ordinary adult. Capillaries, the smallest blood arteries in your body, measured about 5 micrometers in diameter, would account for roughly 80% of this length. The circumference of the Earth, by comparison, is approximately 25,000 miles. This suggests that a single person's blood arteries may stretch around the Earth multiple times. You lose 200 million skin cells every hour, and these dead skin cells can actually decrease air pollution. Your skin develops quickly. Like, really quickly. You can shed up to 5 billion skin cells, that's 9 zeros, in a 24-hour period, around 200 million every hour. Your epidermis, top layer of skin, is constantly regenerating new skin cells to replace those that have died. In fact, 95% of the cells in your epidermis are involved in the production of new skin cells. The remaining 5% create melanin, which is responsible for skin color. Your cornea is unique in that it has no blood vessels. The cornea is the transparent part of your eye that protects the pupil, the central opening, iris, the colored part of your eye, and anterior chamber, the fluid filled inside of your eye. The cornea's transparency lets light to flow through to the retina and then to the brain, where it is processed. The fact that your cornea is transparent is due to the fact that it is one of only 2 tissues in your body, the other being cartilage, that is completely devoid of blood vessels. Your heart rate and breathing can sync up to the music you are listening to. That's correct. Your blood pressure, pulse rate, and respiration can all be affected by the music you listen to. According to studies, changes in the cardiovascular and respiratory systems caused by listening to music immediately reflect the tempo and intensity of the song. Crescendos, increases in volume and intensity, in songs, for example, can cause proportional increases in blood pressure, heart rate, and breathing. Decrescendos and silent periods, on the other hand, cause a drop in these vitals. Repeated rhythms in music might also induce your cardiovascular system to synchronize with the beat, according to research. These aren't the only effects music can have on your heart and circulatory system. Music, playing an instrument, or singing has been shown to help people exercise longer, return their heart rate and blood pressure to baseline more quickly after physical exertion, improve blood vessel function by relaxing arteries, reduce anxiety in heart attack survivors, and help people recovering from heart surgery feel less pain and anxiety. Your brain shrinks during pregnancy. This finding gives the term pregnancy brain a whole new meaning. Pregnant women had lower cortical thickness and surface area in gray matter areas of the brain, according to a 2017 study published in the journal Nature Neuroscience. The cerebral cortex, specifically regions that regulate social cognition, where we process people's feelings and nonverbal messages, suffers the most from gray matter loss. Rather than being detrimental, this reduction of volume helps the brain's ability to understand social circumstances more quickly, particularly when it comes to deciphering the wants and emotions of babies. The brain undergoes these evolutionary changes during pregnancy to improve emotion and facial recognition, promote mother-infant bonding, facilitate a mother's ability to recognize her child's needs, and more quickly process social stimuli that may pose a potential threat to her child, according to the study. Thanks for watching.